What's up guys? In today's lesson I'm gonna show you how to set up GeForce Experience. So at first you can enter this software and click open in-game overlay. It's here. So you can find all information and options in this software. Like for screenshot you're gonna use Alt plus F1, and for photo mode you should probably use Alt plus F2, and for game filter, when you are playing any kind of games, like you can use like Alt plus F3, and you can use this instant replay and record your process. And if you want like streaming, for example, you can use like broadcast live and so on. Your performance gallery, when you can storage all your data from this video and from your gaming process. And you can use microphone, camera, and you can turn off and on off these all options here. And you can like use like all the settings clicking this icon. And at first you can like connect your like Facebook, Google account, and NVIDIA itself, and other like social nets such as like YouTube and so on. Here is all options you have. And for example, for HUD, which stands for like heads up display, you can use it like your camera, status indicator, performance, viewers, and commands. You can change their location, and you can like on and off of all these options and so on. And next one is keyboard shortcuts. It's like a very useful technique while using any kind of like software. You're gonna use like this kind of keyboard shortcuts, which is very useful, which like keep your time. You just need like click some buttons from your keyboard, and you can like directly record your process during your like gameplay. For example, general like open and close in-game overlay, like using like Alt plus Z, and capturing, for example, screenshot or photographs and so on. Game filter, recording process like this. For beginners, I highly recommend like using like Alt plus F9. It's like directly started your recording process. If you press again like Alt plus F9, and you can just stop it. It's very like useful options for beginners. For broadcasting you can use these kind of shortcuts, and for custom overlays you can use all these options, and for your performance and so on. If you change like a lot of options and you are like so confused, you can just like reset all options to defaults. It's available to these settings. And if you go back, you can just find like recording menu. So you can change the temporary files path or video path and so on. And broadcasting live like Facebook or Twitch or YouTube, and you can like change the quality like low, medium, high, and you can like customize it. You can use like quality itself, like it's like limited like 720, and you can use like frame per second or FPS. Your bitrate and like custom overlays and Twitch like and so on. It's all about like a streaming or broadcasting your video. If you go back, you can find like highlights menu, where you can like save your temporary files. You can like set your maximum disk space from 1 to 100, and you can like use photo mode filter. It's more available while like playing in game, like you can change it like photo mode and game filter. inside the game itself. And the next step is like audio. You can set your system sound volume, microphone, and create a single track or separate both tracks. I mean like your microphone or system sound itself. And then your video capture, it's very essential one. You can like set the quality of your video, like it depends on you. I highly recommend using like high, and resolution it will be like a, in most cases, in-game setup, or you can change it for 8K or 4K, 8K or any kind of like resolution as you want. Your FPS here, only like 2 options right now, but I think in the future they're gonna use like additional FPS. Your bitrate here, and this option is very useful if you don't want to lose or lost any kind of like your highlights or replays. You can like choose these options and turn it on, always insta replay lens. I think you're gonna probably know what is this. You can set the time and size of this option. So then you can find notification. It's very general, like common things. I think everybody can use this kind of options without any kind of problems. I think too. I will like make my speech a little bit short. So the last one is performance monitor. You can set the latency, metric settings, number of latency samples like 20, 50, 100, 200 and so on. And location, all these log file settings. That's all. It's like your basic options what you have in using like GeForce Experience and using this software. Thank you for your attention. If you like, please subscribe button. And feel free to comment all these software options and my explanations. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.